Ready, steady, go. Come on, lift it. Don't be deceived. Don't think these are mine, because I promise you there is. Apart from this, that's a lie. Apart from this here, but the rest of them, all the girls. Goodness me. You can tell what they're like. Definitely sweets. That's packed away now. Bags empty. Onto the drinks. Asalaamalaikum guys, hope all is well. Welcome back to our channel. You may be wondering where the girls are. Well, they stayed at the nanny's house yesterday while I got all the drinks nice and cold in the cooler box, the snacks in the packages, everything ready for today's beach event. We have a few family members coming along with us in our 7-seater, inshallah, so we're going to be heading over there. You guys are coming along with us. Now I'm going straight to pick them up and enjoy the day. I'm roasting as it already is, so come along. Fuel is done. Where's my handshake? Other hand. Maya handshake. Other hand. Me, where you going?
Beach.
Where you going, Maya?
Beach.
Who's excited?
Because the nice weather. Dad, I forgot my son.
Whoa, look at the dance. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that. Let's have a look. Come on, turn around. Wow. And the glasses. And your glasses.
The cow.
Okay, what about the glasses? Other way.
They're gonna miss my hair.
It's not. Oh, wow. Lovely.
Chocolate pancake.
Breakfast is served.
Wow. Beautiful. Turn around. Turn around.
Very nice.
I want to do that one.
Goodness me, look at the Maya. Snowing there. Right, the seats are all up. That's probably the most favorite thing of four so far. You can tell them my dad. But yeah, ready to go now, inshallah.
What was that, baby? What can we see? Hey guys, where are we? He's happy.
Come on, Lena. Yeah. Oh my God, where's your feet gone?
Where's my feet going?
Right, put all that in there.
I can sit down.
Yeah.
You can.
You can, yeah.
Down.
Yep.
Like this.
Yeah, but look, Maya's almost finished. She's got half a bucket full. Let's fill this up. Yeah, the sand is a bit too dry, so we need to wet that sand up a bit. I don't know how the water's gonna come out. And now you gotta pour all down the sand. Yeah, it works, so
No,
you have to.
You need hot wet sand.
There we go.
Dad.
Ready? 3. Wait, I'm gonna say 3, 2, 1. Then you pick it up. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Look at that.
Mom, look.
Stand on that side.
Ready, steady, go. Come on, lift it. filling the bucket up or are you having a shower?
Wow.
Okay, have a look at this now. Ready?
Supposed to walk then?
Oh, there, can see it.
Walk.
Oh, wow. This guy, come on. You gotta run with it. Keep running, keep running, keep running. Keep running. And now you're gonna come back. Back this way. Go, 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 go. Whoa, it's in the sky. Oh my God, I'll come back down again. It's in the sky, you know. Right, so we're almost gonna be wrapping up from the beach. Last time here. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. And washing the shades. There we go. Now it's, oh my God, you're soaked. Right, this is gonna be fun. Have a look at this, mashallah. Wow. Now that's skill. Look at this. Wajiba. Amazing. And we got these warheads. Wow, look at this. Let me have a look at both of these.
Dad, look at this. Is this one a one?
Nah, I don't like that one.
This one, Daddy?
I like the heart. The heart's better.
You want them?
Huh?
Amaya, what do you want?
She wants that.
You don't want the hot one?
You having a feed instead?
I'm just in a bowl.
First you gotta eat tataki. And wrap it around that sweet.
That's just good for her.
It's a challenge.
Wrap that around there.
Yep. Now 3, 2, 1. Disgusting. Fail. How is your feet? Maya don't like her feet.
I bite my tooth.
Maya's having a dance. Whoa! Look at that dance. Woo! Amazing dance. Oh wow!
That is my dance.
Another dance is coming. Here we go. Way! Wow! Look at this. Right, you want a teddy? Give it a push. Keep it that way. Let that man come. And she's got one. Let's see her smile now. I don't know how her auntie does this, but she wins all the time. 2 teddy bears, 2 happy kids. Right, quick update. It's almost home time. We're gonna go back to Birmingham, grab some food from Birmingham because nothing's halal here. So most likely see you guys at the restaurant, inshallah. Hope you enjoyed this beach vlog so far. We're all tired. So guys, we're gonna go home now, okay? Let's go. Time for some food after that 2.5 hour drive. Macalab. So guys, we're gonna end it here. The kids knocked off, they're home, they're going to sleep. But I'm here now to end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you at the next video, inshallah.